how to clean the throttle body. Throttle body is very important part of the car. It's very important to clean it as well. It's not very difficult and but not very easy as well. You must need to be consider few things every time when you clean throttle body. First, you never use WD-40 because it have the oil content inside and it's remain the it leave the residual, so we cannot afford that. First of all, you buy proper throttle body cleaner, which I buy all the time when I clean the cars, throttle body of the cars of the customers. First, this is the front side. I have already opened it. It's a front side of throttle body. So you must have with yourself dry clean cloth like a fiber cloth first. Second, you must need to be careful how to clean it. First, we will clean its front part. So this is the front part of the throttle body. So you can see it's not very dirty from the front. So but from the back it is very dirty. So it is my throttle wave cleaner. First spray inside gently and leave it for a while. When you will leave it, it will work quite nicely. Then with the gentle hand and with the nice cloth, clean it. Be sure all the surface is clean nicely, very nicely, because all carbon should be removed, because it's very important when we clean the throttle body, and we have to be careful when we clean it. Don't be very sticky, very hard, be very gentle, because these plates are very sensitive. When you clean them, don't make too much hard noises. So clean it nicely from this side. I think I have cleaned it nicely from this side. Now the second is to clean from back, but the back I cannot move my camera, sorry for that, but I can tell you from the back it's quite bad, so I need to be very attentive when I do from the back. Same procedure from the back. You put first the cleaner, afterwards you clean with the cloth, but with the gentle hands, no rush. You see how bad is from back my car throttle body. be, and keep in mind, you cannot use any kind of like brush or hard brush, or you cannot use like some kind of sharp like a screwdriver or something to clean the throttle body. So you need to use only the cloth to clean it. It's very important. You cannot use any kind of sharp products. So from the back it's quite hard to clean it because it's very and when you clean it, try to clean all the walls and open the throttle body on 90 degree and try to clean from the top surface. It's very important. Most of the professionals don't open it, they just clean from the front side, but I always prefer to open it and try to clean from both sides. It's very important for me because throttle body is very important part of your car. I think I have done the quite good job, and throttle body is clean almost, but few stains are left, so I will try to clean them as well. So I think I am done. It's good now. Yes, you can see from inside. Now it's nice and clean. So now I leave it on one side. So my throttle body is nicely cleaned now. So I will put a little bit liquid at the end so any residual can go out, because it's the thing which we cannot do every time. Yes, we do in years, not every time when we clean the things. So I think I have done a nice job with the cleaning of my throttle body of my car. So that's it. So this is good. So now you have learned how to clean the throttle body. It's very good if you clean the throttle body after, you can say, 60,000 or 70,000 miles. It's very important and recommended. But always clean with the proper things. Like, you cannot use the cheap things. Like, you must need professional products. So I am good now. Okay. So that's it. This is done. So now you have learned how to clean the throttle body.